Hey there you guys, today's wig is brought to you by YSwigs.com. I'll be sure to leave a link below to this wig and also their direct store. Here's what the wig looks like straight out of the box. The hair does come pre-styled for you with some nice waves. The waves is a little messy though. As for the hairline comes a tiny bit pre-plucked and the knots do not come bleached. Usually I go off camera and I bleach the knots, but for this one I just didn't feel like it, so I did not bleach the knots for this wig, but it's cool. We're gonna hide those knots today. As for the texture on this wig, this is a silky texture wig. Hey guys, so this is how the hairline comes. It comes a tiny bit pre-plucked. Well, actually it does come pre-plucked around the hairline, but it doesn't go too far back. I kind of want to go back a little bit more with the plucking and also fade out that harsh line behind their plucking. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do that real quick on one side. So first I take my spray bottle. This is a mist bottle. Get this at Sally's Beauty Supply Store or Cosmoprof. It's hard to do this on camera, work with me. So I'm just gonna hold this back. And because I can see where the harsh line is, I'm just gonna start plucking out that harsh line. So for me, I'm just thinning out like the harsh line, like wherever it looks too harsh, I'm just playing with it, thinning it out. You could kind of see the difference on the side already. So I'm gonna just keep going so you guys could just see what I mean. I hope you guys could see because I'm just so into plucking. So I hope it's turned right. Yeah, let's go. Also, you don't have to keep plucking in the same spot. You could go ahead and move your hand up and down different parts of the hairline just to pluck it randomly, because sometimes if you stay in the same spot, you could kind of over pluck. After that, I am going to take my hot comb. I got this hot comb off Amazon. I'll be sure to leave the link below, also with the tripod and the blockhead. So I'm going to take this flyaway tamer. This is from YS Wigs. It's just like a smoothing stick. It's kind of like an oil in a way, but it's not too sticky and runny. It's really a calm product. But anyway, I just put that on the sides just to tame down the flyaways. After that, I take my hot comb. I have it on the highest temperature, and I just really want to melt the product into the hair and just let it smooth in and make it have this kind of gloss shine on the top. The waves that you see here is how the waves come. I did not go in and restyle the waves at all with no heat products or no style-free heat product. This is it, you guys. Like, wow. This is a 360 lace wig, so there is lace around for you to cut. Also, you do get a lot of parting space at the top. You get about 5 to 6 inches of parting space. You also get 2 combs towards the front, another comb in the middle, and another comb in the back with your adjustable straps. So for this video, I'm going to be doing the ball cap method. I did the ball cap method before, but I'll be giving an updated routine very soon, so stay tuned for that. I have to change the shade of the cap that I have on, so I'm just going to use my Lancôme foundation. Right here, I messed up pretty bad with the foundation. I usually do put a dot on the cap, but I never do it from the front of the hairline. I usually do it towards the middle, then just spread the powder out, the foundation out evenly. Because I put it straight on to the cap, it shows where I sprayed my Got To Be Glue Free Spray spot, but it's okay. Like in the end, this wasn't too much of a setback. It still came out good, but damn. Off camera, I went ahead and cut my lace. It usually never changes. I usually cut my lace on camera while it's on my head. I cut it really jagged and kind of crooked when I do my virgin hair wigs. So first I went in and cleaned my hairline with 70% rubbing alcohol. And the glue that I'm going to be using today is from Bold Hold. I'll be sure to leave the link below to this glue. So when doing this, I'm going to do it in sections. So first I'm just going to apply the glue on my forehead. After I apply the glue, I will be applying 3 layers of glue. After that, I'm pretty much just going to tell you what I'm going to do because you're going to see it anyway. After the 3rd layer pretty much dry, I'm just going to apply the lace first to my forehead. Then I'm going to do my right side. Then I'm going to do my left side. Basically, I'm applying the wig in sections. I'm going to fast forward through on how I apply it, but you'll see what I'm talking about. Know the glue is fully dried once you do not see any more of the white glue and it completely dried clear. To clean my fingers first, I rub it with the rubbing alcohol to get the stickiness off, then I wash my fingers. But now I'm just going to go in and apply the lace, and I'm just applying it as close to the glue as possible, as close to the edge of the glue as possible. And just holding it down. Then to like really push it in, because I don't want to use my fingers, I just use a rat tail comb and I'm just like pushing it into the glue. Right now I cannot find my rat tail comb, so because my nails is just a little bit long, I'm just going to use the tip of my nails and press down the lace into the glue just to get it to lay down. Here we go. Well, I hope you guys watched how I applied my glue and my lace wig. I put 3 coats on each side and I just work in sections. Before, I used to just put a layer of glue right along my hairline and just apply the whole wig. But now working in sections is way better, and I love working with my fingers too. It helps apply the glue way better and smoother. As for the lace that's like didn't get any glue towards the front, I usually just cut it off. My Glee Made scarf, if you guys want the link, I'll be sure to link it below. I love this scarf so much. Thank you so much, Dress Dragoness, and thank you so much, Glee Made. Also, to super secure it and get it really flat, I'm just going to put another scarf on top of that. The longer you keep your scarf on, the more flawless it looks, but I don't really have any time, so I gotta take it off right now to show you guys the results. And it's not bad at all. It's actually not what I expected. I thought this was going to turn out way worse, but it actually came out great, especially after I applied my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 340 on top of the lace. Really, really nice. Amount of powder I'm applying to the lace isn't that much. I'm honestly dabbing just a little bit of powder. I don't want it to get too cakey on top of the lace because it will look weird and matty. So I'm just like patting just a little bit and going back in, blending it out, making sure also the knots is really covered because the knots is not bleached. After you mow your hair with the mousse, that's how you get that soft baby hair effect. I actually learned that from a lot of YouTubers. Thank you. But I kind of want it to be just a little harder so it can stay in place. So I just go over it with the Got To Be Glue sparkling gel, the yellow one. Hey, right here is pretty much my end results, and it actually came out really, really nice. I am really proud of myself. Like, practice makes perfect, you guys, because I have never been this good. I actually just got really good. I always been good, but not as good. But anyway, the waves that's in the hair, like I said before, this is how the waves come. I did not have to go in and wave the hair myself. As for tangling, I got 0 tangling. Shedding was minimum. At first it was a little heavy, I guess due to all the plucking I did, but after that the shedding is like laying up. I really love it. It's super flat and the lace blends not too bad at all. You can still kind of see the lace just a tiny bit, but hey, it's looking pretty good. And if you could do better, then go ahead and tag me, because I try. Okay, I tried. So this is what it looks like in natural sunlight, and I wanted to give you guys the full effect, like, so you guys can see what it look like inside of a room, but also in natural sunlight, and I love it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. See you guys later.